In this video, I'm gonna make a DIY mirror for my tiny fairytale crooked cabin. I got the wood from the building supply company. They were throwing it away. You'll need a jigsaw, a sander, a little table saw, a small torch, and something to nail the frame together with. Also a glue gun, and then I ordered a little mirror off Amazon. I'm gonna show you exactly how to do it. This mirror's got tons of character. I hope you like it. I'm gonna take this mirror that I ordered off Amazon and make it into something wonky. Check this out. This is gonna go right there. I got these boards for free right here because they were molded. Got them for free at the building supply place. Right here, what I'm doing is cutting a recess so the mirror will set down inside the frame. Now the mirror will set down right in there. We'll be able to make this wonky. You get it? All good. Let's go. What I'm doing here is I'm just setting this up so I can put the mirror inside and make sure it's going to fit in there pretty good. Make sure my cuts are all good. All right, we can't cut it with that in there, so we got to go, let's see here. I need something underneath this. This, this, this. This is going to go over here, over here. So I'm about to draw my template around the edges and on the inside. It'll make sense here in a second. I don't want to cut into the recessed area because it's going to make it weak. So I wanted to draw some lines so I don't go past those lines when I'm cutting the edges of it and making it look kind of, wonky and decorative. Right here, what I'm doing is I'm starting to draw the lines around the edges so I can cut it with the jigsaw. You'll see here in a second. Cutting those lines out and making sure I don't go past that line that I drew so that it doesn't weaken the frame. Ooh, Lordy! All right, phase one. Now I gotta fix the inside. Making this up as I go, I'm drawing what the design will look like that I'm going to cut out with the jigsaw for the inside part of the frame. I forgot to turn the camera on, but this is after I cut the inside part. It takes a long time to cut it. If this rattles too much, this right here will fracture, I'm trying to just get far enough where I can glue the mirror in once I sand all this down and then nail it together and make it solid. It's nerve-wracking cutting all this stuff because this stuff could cut or break, But anyway, we're still moving on here. Getting closer. I'm digging that. Love it. Takes a long time to do this stuff, but it's worth it. I like to make unique stuff, Sanding down the rough cut edges here to try to give it that live edge look. It gives it depth too. Getting there. Got to sand it, rough sand it. It's gonna look awesome. Right here I'm laying it out. I'm gonna put some glue on the joints, hit it with a nail gun, and connect everything together. Gonna char the whole frame to give it some character. Hot glue gun, man's best friend. Yeah, That's what I was going for right there. Something like that. There's a gap between the frame and the mirror, and what I did is put some glue in there to kind of seal that up and tighten up the whole thing. Forgot to turn the camera on when I was mounting it, but you get the picture. I think this came out great. I'll come back and put some polyurethane on it to give it a little bit of a sheen. The only thing I would do different is I would buy a little bit thicker mirror, because if somebody goes to wipe off that mirror, it could crack it. That's the only thing I would change. Otherwise, unique mirror, adds to the vibe of the bathroom, and I like how it came out. Easy to do, try it yourself. If you like fun, creative, wonky stuff like this mirror I just did right here, check out this video here where I'm building a crooked fairytale cabin in Eastern Kentucky. It's part of my retirement plan, and I'm building 2 or 3 of these things, and I'm gonna put them on Airbnb and rent them down the road. So like, subscribe, comment, check out this video right here. Subscribe, this might work.